if you look at the CPI just come out of the inflation data, I think China is at the borderline of deflation, which is very different from other parts of the world. Well, you could say the good news is that in that case, there probably will be more room for fiscal stimulus, more potential interest rate cut. China's interest rate is still quite high if you compare to other parts of the world. I think these are the positive, but at the same time, you cannot remove the worry that the domestic demand is genuinely weak. The deflation, the borderline deflation data for China, as well as the weak import data. It seems that judging from the economic data we haven't got the full April data coming out yet, but basically it seems that the China's economic momentum picked up strongly in the first 2 months of the year, and then afterwards, on a sequential basis, it seems to be, well, I'm not saying there's weakening, but just more or less stay at the more or less the same level. So the market probably will expect a stronger pickup in domestic demand with the removal of COVID restrictions. But up till now, I think the data is relatively weak from that perspective. Consumption is relatively good, but probably not as good as people really want it to be, but still good. Investment is relatively weak.
And yet, analysts keep tom-tomming about China's consumption story like it's the most compelling piece for growth that we've seen in a long time. China's consumer is not rising to the occasion.
I think this is a little bit too strong a statement, though. If you look at the tourism spending during the Labor Day holiday, still up, it's close to the level of 2019 already. So I think China consumer recovery are still in the early stage. Given the fact that the economy has been weak for quite some time, people's income outlook are not that strong, and you just start to leave the restrictions on movement for just 2 months, and you need to take some time for the stimulus, from monetary and fiscal stimulus, to take effect on the economy. So actually, I'm still relatively positive, frankly speaking, on Chinese consumption. Up till now, they are good, but probably not good enough to the market. But personally, my take is that I think it will gradually getting better when the year goes on.